Hey guys, so I just wanted to share with you guys really quick something that I think is a cool feature on the new Acura TLX. It's how you can customize the driving experience. Now what I mean by that is a lot of cars just have a sport mode that you can put it in, and it keeps the RPMs up there higher, so it's better throttle response. Where this car, you can actually change a lot of different things as far as like steering feel, suspension settings, engine. And I'll show you here how to do it. You just push the center button here and you push and hold, as you can see here. So you're going to push it and hold it. Okay, now it comes up to all the individual settings. So if you see here, it says engine. So you can change it 3 different ways. So you can really fine tune how you want it. So, and then you have steering here. I put that to normal because I had it to sport, and it makes it really hard. It takes a lot of effort to turn it. Makes it really stiff. And I didn't like that. Around town, you had to put a lot of effort into turning it. But then everything else, I put sport. The suspension. And so when you change all this, when you put it in your individual setting, or when you just push the center of the A, that puts it into your individual setting, it'll change it to what you set in here. So it's pretty neat. You can get it exactly how you want. Even the color here, when you put it in individual mode, you can have different color inside the cabin on the ambient lighting. So you see here, engine, I have it on sport, steering normal, suspension sport, and then the idle stop, I disabled that when I have it in that mode, and the lighting sport. So that's pretty neat about these cars, how you can really fine tune it. Like I said, if you want the engine to respond faster, you have that in sport, but say you don't want it to be real stiff, then put the suspension in normal or comfort even. I do like that because there's certain times, like I said, I had it all in sport and the steering was really tight. So driving around town, it just took a lot of effort. I didn't like that. So now with it normal, it's real easy to turn the wheel. So it's not just, this has a sport mode too, but this way, the individual setting, you can really fine tune it. So that was pretty neat. So I just want to share that with you guys. That's something I think is pretty neat about these cars, how it allows a little bit more fine tuning to cater to how you like driving. So, and it does make a big difference. I could tell when I put it in individual mode, it responds a lot better. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you didn't know that, I'm sure you guys probably did. But if you didn't, hey, maybe it'll help you out so you can set it how you like and really customize it. Something that I think Acura did a good job allowing you to customize it to how you like. So I appreciate it. Again, I hope everyone's doing good. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, everybody.